Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. Okay, so I forgot to take you guys with me. Don't be upset. I did go and run some errands this morning. The time now is 8:53 a.m. so I got up pretty early, went to go run some errands, had to go to the post office, get some stuff. So yes, I am back home. I was gonna try to go to Target, but I realized that my stomach is grumbling and rumbling and tumbling because I did not eat breakfast before I left. All I did was drink some green tea. So now it's time to eat something. I think I'm going to just make some, I want to come with you guys, but I don't want the lighting to mess up too bad. I think I'm going to just make some grits and probably these little, I don't know, I'm kind of just feeling, sorry guys, I'm kind of just feeling grits this morning. Maybe some yogurt, I don't know. Lately I've been like, I want to spice up my breakfast choices because I feel like I usually just eat like oatmeal or like eggs, like the vegan sausage. Like, I don't know, I kind of want to get more creative, maybe making breakfast sandwiches or something. Maybe I should just hit up Pinterest and see, you know, what's good for breakfast. But yeah, so I'm about to make some breakfast. On today's list of things to do, boom, I need to edit. Okay, I need to go to the package room because yesterday I got a notification that I had a package. I think it's the candle that I bought. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to smell it. A candle I got off Etsy. And what else do I need to do today? I need to make a habits tracker. So last month I made a habit tracker. Hold on, y'all, let me go get it and I can show you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So last month I decided I wanted to start making habit trackers each month so that I can start getting back into my habits. So on one of these vlogs I'll explain, you know, my year 2021 and how it was going. But long story short, a span of that was spent, you know, getting over some things. And so basically I kind of just fell out of a schedule, fell out of my habits, fell out of doing like my skincare routine and stuff like that. So basically, to get myself back on track, I decided to start doing habit tracker. So I'm about to show you guys. Now with this habit tracker, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was not keeping up with it. So at first I was kind of like doing it and filling it in, and you know, I was so gung-ho about it and then I kind of just stopped filling it in. But thankfully, I was still kind of doing the things on the habit tracker. Like I would do like my skincare routine and take my vitamins, but I would just forget to like mark it on here. So this month, I really want to make a point to like okay, I finished doing my skincare and just mark it off like that, so I can really track and see how I'm doing instead of like guesstimating if I followed the habits. Does that make sense? Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys. All right, so here is my habit tracker for the month of November. So as you guys can see, I put basically what the RayvoChic is. I need to work on something dealing with RayvoChic, like my brand, whether it's posted on social media, looking up, you know, different things in regards to my brand and branding myself more. That was the first thing on my habit tracker. Taking my vitamins, drinking enough water, because I kind of stopped drinking the appropriate amount of water each day, and I could definitely feel the change in my body. Doing my skincare routine in the morning and the night. Exercising daily, which that didn't happen in November. So yeah, I did exercise, but definitely not as much as I needed to. And then stretching every day, meditating every day, journaling. I want to journal every day, but I really just want to journal when I feel like I need to journal. I want to make sure that I was reading something every day, whether it's just like a chapter of a book or a devotional or something. Cleaning up the living room and the kitchen every night, because I like to wake up to clean kitchen and living room. So I wanted to make a point to make sure that the living room and kitchen was clean before I went to sleep. And then I've been tracking my cycle because Okay, so I've been tracking my cycle because since I was under a lot of stress and everything like that, like my cycle was just out of whack. I don't know if it's TMI, but for the ladies out there, you understand. My cycle was just kind of out of whack. Like it would just come randomly whenever it wanted to. Like it was just all out of whack. So I started tracking. I also downloaded the app Flow, so I've been enjoying that as well. And yeah, I'm gonna just go eat some breakfast because I can feel my head starting to hurt and my stomach is like, girl, eat. So I'm gonna make some breakfast and then I'll come back and yeah. So, oh wait, but I was trying to tell you guys what we were gonna do today. Okay, so quick before I go make breakfast, I need to go to the package room, I need to edit, I need to make my habit tracker, I need to go to the hair store because I know y'all are tired of seeing me in hats. If y'all saw what was up under this hat, y'all would be like, girl, keep the hat on. I don't know, like I said, I'm trying to get myself back together. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get rid of the hat because I don't want to have a hat all of Vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? And I want to look cute, okay? So I need to go to the hair store and possibly go to Target if I don't find what I need online. So that is what we're gonna be doing today. And also I might do a little cleaning montage because I do need to clean my bathroom. But yeah, let me go eat and I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay. Or no, I've always wanted to say this because I see some vloggers saying it. I promise I won't say it every vlog, but I'm gonna call y'all back. What up guys? So I just wanted to come back and check in with you all. I ate my food. The breakfast didn't look cute, so that's why I didn't put it on camera. We'll try again tomorrow. I was like, this does not look good. It's not giving what it needed to give. It was just something to fill up my stomach, or such a random breakfast. So we are definitely editing. So this is one thing off of the list. I'm almost done. Oh my gosh, so happy about that. So yeah, so I just been sitting here editing. Now I'm about to take a little mini break. Like I said, I need to go get my package from the package room. And yeah, so once I come back from, and I also need to go, I don't know if I told you guys or not. I think I did. That I need to go to the hair store so I can stop wearing these hats. So I'm going to go to the beauty supply store and then I'm going to come back. I'll probably take you guys with me, but I just want to come and check in and let you guys know that I'm being productive and I'm getting stuff done. I hope you're being productive and you're getting stuff done too. And I think I need to call and make a nail appointment because my nails, it's time to get them done like ASAP. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but yeah, they are definitely outgrown. So yeah, let me get up and let me go do this, and it'll give me a chance to like take a break, walk away from the editing, come back with some fresh eyes. So I'll see you guys when I get to the beauty supply store. Yes. Hi guys, so today is actually the next day, so I'm just going to finish this vlog today. So basically what happened was not last night, well, I'm going to talk about last night, but yesterday when I told you guys, you know, the list of everything that I wanted to do, I went to go to the beauty supply store, which guys, that was a bust. Like I went to the beauty supply store and it literally was like a nail surplus store. It wasn't like a real beauty supply store, and I had the worst, I'm talking about the worst headache. It was probably a migraine. Like it literally felt so, like I couldn't even keep my eyes open. So yesterday I had to literally finish editing the vlog and upload it, but it literally took everything out of me to do it because my head was just hurting. I tried to take some medicine and it was just taking so long for the headache to go away, and typically I don't like taking medicine. I just try to like do it naturally, or just, you know, let my headaches, or even when I have cramps, I just usually try to let them just, you know, go by themselves, like go away by itself. But yesterday my head was hurting so bad I literally could not open my eyes. So I stopped vlogging after you guys saw where I was eating from Halal guys. That was the falafel wrap that you guys saw. So after that, after I ate, I thought that would help, like, oh, maybe I'm hungry, you know. But yeah, it only like took off like an edge, like it just took it away for like a little bit and then it literally came right back. So yeah, yesterday I did not finish vlogging, so I'm just gonna combine these two because it definitely was not enough footage for me to make like, you know, a long vlog. So I'm just gonna combine today and yesterday together because I am a little bit ahead on vlogs. So yeah, I just want to come update you guys because I had a massive headache and I just kind of left you guys hanging yesterday. Well, for you guys, I didn't leave you hanging because you're seeing this clip like right away, but for me, I did leave you guys hanging yesterday after I finished eating. So for today, so I already got up. It's probably I think it's like almost 2 p.m. now. What you guys saw before this was just my breakfast. So I ate breakfast and I started editing another video, so I was doing that, and then I cleaned up and then I showered, and I actually have therapy today, so I am getting mentally prepared for therapy, basically getting everything that I want to talk about in my therapy, because when I first started, we were kind of just figuring each other out, and it was kind of like not all over the place, but we were talking about a lot of different things. And now that we've gotten more comfortable with each other, it's been like a month and some change, so now that we're more comfortable with each other, I really want to target certain things that I know that I need to be open and transparent about and work on. So yeah, I do need to go to the package room because they've sent me like 5 texts already saying I have like 5 different packages, and I don't like being that person that basically takes up all of like the slots in the package room. So yeah, I need to go and get those today. I have to go and get those today. I'm probably gonna get it once I get off of here with you guys. But yeah, so I think that's all that I wanted to tell you guys. I'm trying to think, was there anything else? Yeah, I'm gonna get the packages. As you guys see, I don't have a hat on. I had the hat on and then I was like, let me just come on here, let me put a little bandana. I know you guys are tired of seeing me in the hat, but actually my hair products are one of the packages that's at the package room, so I will definitely be washing my hair. I don't know, I might show you guys. Honestly, my hair is like a sensitive subject right now because it's been going through a lot. But yeah, I might show you guys that in tomorrow's vlog. But I'm gonna wash my hair and then I'm going to do faux locks on my head, so that I don't have to wear hats anymore, and it'll be easy and low maintenance. So I think I've done enough talking. I've been talking for 4 minutes, so yeah, I'm gonna go get the packages. I still have to finish editing this vlog just a little bit, you know, whatever. I just said I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, I'll be back, guys. Hey guys, so I went to therapy. It was really good. Like today, honestly, I opened up a lot about a lot of things, and my therapist is A1. She's amazing. So it was definitely some tears shed. It was definitely some like enlightenment going on. It was definitely much needed and I loved it. And today's session was great. I have some homework assignments to do for this week, so I'm excited about that. Just bettering myself, just getting my mental health together. Let me know if you guys have ever went to therapy or are in therapy, and let me know if you are enjoying it. I've been to therapy before now, but I feel like what I was telling her when we first met was I feel like I was never like super duper open, because I always felt in the back of my head that maybe, you know, this person would understand, because anytime I try to explain myself to like my friends or something, it's kind of like, I don't know, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, but I just feel like they just don't really understand. So I was always afraid to like really open up. And then 2, just like judgment. You know, that's always something that you deal with, but I realized that, you know, this person is here to help me. So, you know, things that I go through, things that I want to talk about, I should be more open. So like I was saying earlier, now that we trust each other and we've gotten to know each other over this time, I feel a lot more comfortable being super transparent and talking to her about stuff that, you know, I really know that I need help with. And so yeah, today was like the first day that I feel like I really like I always be like open and transparent, but today I feel like I talked about things that I was nervous in the past to talk about. And so yeah, so I just want to come and let you guys know that the therapy session went really well. And since I got off of our session, I made some food, I ate, I chilled, uploaded a video, edit another video. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here because I'm not really doing anything else. I was gonna go to the gym, but honestly I'm not feeling it. My headache came back. I need to figure out why I'm having these headaches. I don't know if it's my sugar intake or what, but just been having like extreme headaches. And yeah, so yeah, I think I am going to, and I'm super tired, I think I'm gonna take like a little nap. Guys, I don't know, like I want to work out. No, I'm not gonna work out tonight. I'm definitely gonna try to work out in the morning, okay? So basically tomorrow I'm probably gonna try to do a lot more fun stuff, get out the house some. My head had just been hurting, so that's why I was kind of like in the house. So I do want the vlogs to be a lot more fun and like, you know, going out and doing fun stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be planning over the next few days, stuff that I can do and bring you guys along. But I hope that you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. This is my first Vlogmas, so I'm super excited about it. And thank you guys so much for coming along on this journey. Like I always say, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friend, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment so we can chit chat in the comments. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful, beautiful night or morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. Love you guys. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.